So I was cleaning out my deep freezer and I came across this deer shoulder. I don't know how long it's been in there, so I was just going to throw it away. But I thought, how about instead we shoot it with a few different pistol calibers and see what results we get. So I thought we would shoot this deer shoulder with a 10mm, a 44 mag, and a 454 Casull. All three are pistol calibers that are commonly used when hunting deer. So we've got some Hornady 10mm auto 180 grain hollow points. It says it's moving at 1180 feet per second. This box does not give the muzzle energy, so I looked it up and it says it's 556 foot-pounds of energy. We have some Federal Fusion 44 mag 240 grain hollow points. It says these bullets are moving at 1290 feet per second and have 885 foot-pounds of energy. And then we have some Hornady 454 Casull 300 grain XTP hollow points. It says these are moving at 1650 feet per second. This box does not show the muzzle energy, but I looked it up and it's 1,813 foot-pounds of energy. We'll be using a Glock Gen 4 Model 20 10mm, a Ruger Super Red Hawk 44 Magnum, and a Ruger Super Red Hawk Alaskan 454 Casull. Okay, that was our 10mm. Here's our entrance hole, and here is our exit hole. Pretty nasty hole. And as you can see, we got some splatter on our piece of wood back here. Okay, now the 44 Magnum. So here's our 10mm entrance hole. Here is our 44 mag entrance hole. The 44 mag made a pretty nasty exit hole. Blew through that shoulder and broke the bone. And that bullet sprayed muscle fibers all over our table and all over our piece of wood when it went through the deer shoulder. All right, now the 454 Casull. Okay, so you got 10mm, 44 mag, and here's your 454 Casull entrance hole. Here is the 454 Casull exit hole. And we got more splatter on our table and on our piece of wood. So I thought I only brought hollow points out here to shoot this deer shoulder with. But I looked in my ammo bag and I found these Buffalo Bore 44 mag plus P 340 grain hard casts. Hard casts are made to penetrate deep through muscle and bone. So we're going to shoot this deer shoulder in the boniest part in the knee joint and see what happens. So as soon as I walked up here, I noticed bone fragments all over this table and a piece of our hard cast bullet. This is our entrance hole. And here's where we came out the back. And as you can see, it broke through all this bone like it was nothing. That is a very hard-hitting round. Well, I don't know about y'all, but I was pretty impressed with every single one of these pistol calibers. I appreciate you all watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please click the like button, and if you're not already subscribed to the channel and you want to see more stuff like this, we're always uploading new content, so please subscribe to the channel. You can also check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All the links are in the description below. This is Kentucky Ballistics. I'll see you next time.